Example number 2 is an example of a moving object. The boat is traveling. So when we have a moving object problem, we're going to set up our table where we have distance, rate, and time, and our object. Our boat travels upstream. Our boat also travels downstream. Okay, and then you just need to remember that when we have our rate of speed, and it's talking about the wind, the current, our rate of speed is always plus and minus the current. So then we're going to read. It says the current of the stream is 2 miles per hour. Well, when you go upstream, you travel against the current, so it would be your speed minus the current speed. And when you go downstream, you travel with the current, so it would be your speed plus the current. The boat goes 7 miles upstream and 11 miles downstream. When we do this equation, we are going to use the equation that t is equal to distance divided by rate. So then we would take our distance of 7, divide it by -2, our distance of 11, divide it by x plus 2. The question then says that the total trip took 2 hours. So when I add the amount of time that it took to go down upstream to the time it took to go downstream, it's going to be equal to 2. All right, now I need to figure out my lowest common denominator, which is going to be x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then I multiply to cancel my fractions with what's left. I'm going to multiply the 2 by x squared minus 4, because if I multiply the x minus 2 and x plus 2, I actually get a difference of squares of x squared minus 4. So I get 7 and then x plus 2 plus 11 x minus 2 is equal to 2 times x squared minus 4. And then I just distribute all of that out. 2 times 7 is 14. 11 times -2, -22, 2x squared minus 4. Then I'm going to combine like terms. 7x plus 11x is 18x. 14 minus 22 is minus 8. Oh, I did not multiply that. That should 2 times -4 is -8, Miss Stone. So I get 2x minus 8. When I add 8 to both sides, that will both cancel. Then I want to get the -18x on the same side as the 2x squared. So I have 2x squared minus 18x is equal to 0. I now have a quadratic that I can solve by factoring. I have a greatest common factor of 2x. Then I get x minus 9 as my other quadratic factor. You set each factor equal to 0. And we're going to get 2 answers. X is equal to 0 and 9. Now our excluded values were 2 and -2. The -2 doesn't even make sense with the current. The other one that doesn't make sense is our 0. So our boat will not be able to go down upstream against the current if it's only going 0 miles per hour. That would make the current push it back downstream. So the 0 does not make sense. So our answer that does make sense is the 9, and it will be 9 miles per hour for the answer there.